Okay, for practice in comma splices or comma joins, which I have found a lot of in your writing, you need to go to grammar, and then quiz 4 was the structure of a sentence, independent clauses. Exercise 1, you probably don't need to do this one, parts of speech, but it's good to revise it. Exercise 1 is fragments, and there's a video about fragments, and that's what, if you make comma splices or comma joins, then your writing will be all fragments. So here are the exercises: exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise, another exercise 4, and another exercise 5, although I put different numbers here. This one is more difficult, run-on sentences. It's not comma join, but you may have them in your writing also, but I recommend not to do this one because you really need to get the comma joins sorted out first and get those fixed before you can really go on to this part. I can't take time to teach it again because I spent 1 week on it, so if you could please just go through these exercises. And there are more here, sentence errors, but these are more difficult. And when you come to video 2, this is another topic, and I think we would need to all be on the same, do this from video 2 in class. But all this first part is all comma joins, so you really need to apply this to your own writing, that you don't have any comma joins. Okay, thank you.